Yes, of course! There's one more thing. So when we put it all together, we should see that the ear is above the shoulder, is above the hip. Okay? However, for some people, they physically won't be able to do that. All right? And that's because they're a little bit forward bent in their upper back. And unfortunately, if you've been that way for a long time, I hate to say it, but you're kind of stuck that way. You can reverse it some, but maybe not completely, because as the years go by, the shape of the bones actually morph to, propagate that curve. All right. So in my opinion, it's okay if the head is a little bit forward. What I really like to see is that the shoulder is above the hip. So here I'm going to pretend that I'm a little bit forward bent. All right. So if I'm a little bit forward bent, I don't want to pull my ear above my hip. No, definitely not. I want to keep my shoulder above my hip. All right. So I'm following all the rules there, but my head protrudes a little bit forward. And if that's you, that's okay.